All right, John Deere 4600, four-wheel drive tractor. What do we got? It's got some auxiliaries up here. You could add the loader if you wanted to. Got PTO, 3-point setup. Not really sure the hours because it's got 2 hour meters. The stock one shows 700 and something hours, but then there's this one shows 1612, so a little discrepancy. So we have no clue what the hours are. I'll fire it up and we'll go from there. Nice little seat. Quick demo on this rig. You can come check it out on preview day, Friday before the sale from 9 to 4. Questions, let us know. Otherwise, we'll see you preview day. Thanks for watching.